Hey y'all, what's up? What's up, Rashawn gang? I'm not gonna do that. What's up, y'all? That's how I'm gonna keep it. What's up, y'all? So today I'm doing my first unboxing. Alright, so let me just get straight to the point. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, so let me give y'all the backstory. Alright, so what happened was my brother Jameer McKay, let me tell y'all the story. He broke my Babyliss. So we bought something, He said he checked the reviews. He said the reviews are good. So we're gonna try it out. Alright, we're gonna try it out. So first I wanna make y'all see it. Look at it. It's called 7 Magic Hair Straightener. This is my first unboxing, so not too much. Alright, so let me take this one. I don't need this. Alright. Okay. See what it's about. I slide it. Slide it out. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Jameer did not play 7 Magic. Okay. 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 Get the packaging. I'm not gonna survive everything. I think I'll take this off. Came with a, if you get burned out, they'll use this. Nobody got time for the little wheels. So that looks so good. It looks just like the Babyliss. And it's Titanic, because I love when it's Titanic because it gets it going straight. But when using Titanic, let me give y'all a little warning. When using Titanic, make sure you use heat protectant and a leave-in to hydrate the hair because it does get really hot. So, and the thing about it is that people may go by certain brands, and I did like Babyliss, but obviously he didn't find it or whatever. So we're gonna test this out. We gotta twirl this around because we're about to. And this is the thing, like if you got a wig, you try to style it, use this little tripod thing. So you'll put it on there and screw it a little closer. Screw it down. I'm telling y'all how to give y'all a little tutorial to how to put this on. Alright, so it should be good. So screw it all the way. A little tight. Okay. Alright. So get Miss, I forgot. We're gonna call her Miss Zoe. Zoe. We call her Zoe. Yep. Little raggedy Zoe. Alright. So y'all, we're gonna put her on here. My hair is kinda thick. I'm trying to see the whole thing. My hair is kinda thick. Let me push it back. Alright, so y'all. Let's see if this is it. So y'all see her hair is kinda thick. So alright, we're gonna get to the back. And I'm just gonna show y'all, and we all gonna see if this is really a good, iron. So let me pin this up. Boom, boom. Get my comb. I'm back. Alright, so we're about to section it off. Okay, this gonna work with the back. Boom. So we're gonna see if Jameer played me or not. So yeah, look at it. It looks just like the Babyliss. So I might do a little series on here where I try random stuff like from Amazon and stuff like that. Alright, so yeah. Alright, so we're gonna press the one. Y'all can see I have little knobs. We're going for high heat. All the way there. You see? All the way there. High heat. Goes to 450. That's what I like. Then press it on. See where it says that? It's on. Little blink. You see it blinking? Y'all can't see it. Hold on. Let's see. Y'all see it blinking? Good. You want to see? Let me press this out. Come a little closer, yo. Come a little closer. Alright. So let's see. Let's try again. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot. It's really hot. Alright. Hopefully don't burn it. I think this hair is too new, so it shouldn't burn it. Y'all ready? Ooh, this one. This one fire. This one, and it feels so soft. Now look at that compared to this. Now see, it gives it a shine too. Let me do it again. On this one. And we're gonna chase the comb with this one. Yeah. Look, y'all. Babyliss, I think you got a challenge. Look. This is with the comb. This is without the comb. It's still straight, but with the comb, look. Look how straight that is at. Yeah. Yeah, y'all. It's a... What's the word I'm gonna say? What's the word I'm gonna say? It's a win. It's a win. It's a win. It's a win. Jameer did not snub me. It's a win. He knew what he was doing. Because he knew I'd get to Slane and I need something good. So yeah, it's a win. So y'all. Now, if you want to send me a little coin, 7 Magic, because I know your numbers will go up when I promote this. So yeah, 7 Magic definitely is. And he said it was only like $35. Well, I paid 100 and something. You could just pay 35 for the same effect. So yeah, it's a win. I'm gonna turn this off before I burn myself. Ooh, almost did. But yeah, it's a win. So, y'all, I need to do a flat iron. Make sure y'all get this. And 7 Magic, hit me up with that little promo because your sales gonna go up. So yeah, it's a win. It gets it. Look at this. Look at the bone straight. Mind you, this here is like coarse. Look at it. Remember, this side is without the comb. This is with the comb. Ooh, nice and soft. So, Amazon did not disappoint. Did not disappoint. Get your irons. Have a blessed one. Go chase your goals, chase your dreams. Whatever you want to do, do it. God bless.